Amsterdam, drunk off vibe. London, England, drunk off vibe. Hit the States and we drunk off vibe. Pretty girl, broke off wine. Flex in a babe, skirt in a rave. While y'all in my face, you don't know my name. Drop down, the whole place shut down. Hey, drop down, so much love now. Hey.
What is up, everybody? It's your girl D. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications for your girl. It's a get ready with me. I'm about to get ready. I'm about to go eat and then maybe go to the movies. So I'm about to do something with my hair, something with my face, something, not anything too crazy. I don't know if y'all have noticed the new lighting. Got a new light, and it's a lot better. I feel like it's a lot brighter. It definitely tones everything a little bit different. So let me know in the comments what y'all think about this new light. What this is witch hazel mixed with rose water and vitamin E. So I'm just like rubbing this just to tone it all over my face. So yeah, I will put primer on, or moisturizer on at this point, but I feel like my makeup just looks so much better when I don't put anything on my face. Like if I just put like witch hazel on my face and then start putting my foundation on, I feel like it just, every time I wear like primer or like if I put moisturizer before I put my foundation, my skin just ends up looking even more oily. I don't know what it is. The only primer that has ever worked for me has been the Smashbox primer, and I like the primer, like Smashbox Finish water, whatever. That really works for me. But other than that, I have not found anything else that actually primes my skin or like will mattify it, because my skin is so oily. Because my skin is so oily and then I put moisturizer on top of it, it just makes it too slippery or something. And this foundation that I am using is Fenty, and this is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation color 250. I know it's going to look really awkward and ugly at first, but just trust the process because it'll look fine once I'm finished. And I'm not a makeup guru or anything, so everything I'm doing is just how I do it, okay? So I'm going to use this, I'm going to use this e.l.f. concealer, and this is one of their concealers. I just grabbed it. It was like $3-4, and this is color light beige. I feel like this is not the right color concealer for me, but I need to use something because under my eyes they're just so dark. So to do my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. eyebrow dip, and this is color medium brown. This brush is one of those Sonia Colari brushes, again from Target. Done, so I'm just gonna use this beauty blender and try to just blend this out a little bit. So this is a darker foundation color, and this is just how I do my makeup. I don't know how, I'm not a makeup artist, I just do what works for me. So I just take a darker foundation, I just go kind of in the contour areas, like just around under my nose, because I know y'all was thinking, bitch, that foundation is too light for you. I'll let that sit and dry a little bit. I'm going to take some of this Revolution Luxury Banana Powder that I got from Ulta, and I'm just going to kind of sit under my eyes a little bit here. Sure, what I'm gonna do to my hair, actually I should just wear this wrap, to be honest. I washed my hair and it has leave-in, it has conditioner in it right now. Some parts are dry, some parts are not. Let me see what I can do with it, and if I can't do anything with it, I'll probably just put it in a bun. So I just blew my hair out a little bit just because the shrinkage is real, and I think maybe I might just go like this. I don't know, does this look bad? Does it look too